Today we are talking about redhead steering gear boxes. It's a steering gear box. It's got a red top, also known as a red head, thus the name redhead steering gear boxes. So if anybody tells you they have a redhead steering gear box on their truck, you need to look for that top, and that's how you know. So let's talk about the box a little bit here. As your trucks are getting older, you've probably lifted it, they've got a lot of miles on it, it's probably time to replace the steering gear box. If you've replaced all the other parts in your front end, you still feel like you're chasing down a little bit of a wiggly steering wheel type situation, it's probably a pretty good idea to replace the box and just kind of start fresh and go from there. A lot of questions we get on steering gear boxes are core charges, hydraulic assist, and which one is going to fit my truck. Well, let's start with the core charge. Redhead steering gears is going to want to get your old steering gear box back. Now, this is a heavy item. Most people don't want to ship their core first because it's still on the truck, which is totally understandable, which is why us here at Diesel Power Products offer a deferred core program and a prepaid shipping label with a little checkbox on the listing. What that means is you do not have to pay for your core up front, so you just pay the cost of the steering gear box. And once you receive the new steering gear box, you have 21 days to send the old one back. As long as we get it back within that time period, we don't charge that core charge on your card. That's right, so you don't have to have that money tied up. You can get everything taken care of, and you're good to go there. As far as sending that core back, when you receive your new steering gear box, it's going to come very well packaged. Redhead actually double boxes with extra cardboard insulation and a plastic bag around their box to make sure that it doesn't leak or cause any issues while shipping. You can use that same shipping material, just slap the $35 prepaid label on the box itself and ship it back. It's that easy. We try and make it as easy as possible to get the core back because no one wants that extra core charge tacked on the card when you just got a steering gear box hanging around your garage. Next, let's talk about fitment. So Redhead Steering Gears makes steering gear boxes for just about any truck or car out there. Whether you have a Ford, a Dodge, or a Chevy, half-ton all the way up to three-quarter ton, even some heavy-duty trucks they are going to make steering gear boxes for. Is every steering gear box the same? No. But what Redhead does to make sure that their product is superior above everybody else's is they custom fit everything inside the box. So anywhere that there was a bearing or a seal that has been machined to either accept a new or larger bearing or a seal, and then as far as the worm drive and the ball bearings in there, they custom fit these. They don't just go through and slap bearings in there and say, this is okay. They have a guy in there, or a girl, who goes through and custom fits every ball bearing to every steering gear box to make sure that it is as tight and long-lasting as possible. The next question we get on Redhead steering gear boxes is hydraulic assist. And do I have it? And do I need it? Well, chances are if you're asking yourself that question, you don't need it. Don't mean to sound facetious. Those that have hydraulic assist already usually know that because it's an aftermarket option. No trucks came from the factory with a hydraulic assist. They are power steering boxes, but they did not have that additional hydraulic assist, which is a hydraulic ram on the front of your truck to push and pull the tires and wheels around. No one came from the factory with that, so don't even worry. If you're asking yourself if you need it, you don't. But if you do need it, for an additional $125, Redhead will pre-drill and tap and then plug holes into the box so that you can run hydraulic assist steering now or if you plan to in the future. So if you have any questions as far as which Redhead steering gear box will fit your truck, the right part number, the right year range, do not hesitate to give us a call, shoot us an email, get on social media, shoot us a message, anything. We are happy to answer any questions you have. We love selling these Redhead steering gear boxes because we don't have any issues, and everybody's happy when they get them. And as far as selling a product that makes me happy, making you happy, and not having any issues later on. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.